Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will share a quick review of the Intex Iris Junior smartwatch, detailing its great features to help parents keep a track of their child's safety. I'll start with the design of the watch first. The Iris Junior is a lightweight device that weighs just 48.5 grams and comes in various color options like turquoise blue, yellow, green and pink. It features a plastic case with silicone straps. The straps have a texture on them for comfortable fit on the wrist. It is also IP65 water resistant. Now I'll talk about the specifications of the wearable. It features a 0.96-inch TFT display with 128 by 64 pixels resolution. The watch is powered by MediaTek 6261A chipset coupled with 4 MB of RAM and 16 MB of storage. It is backed up by a 580 mAh battery and is compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. It houses a SIM card slot on the left edge and supports single micro SIM. This device is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Now let's talk about the features that it offers. This wearable comes equipped with a tracking device and offers several parental guidance features. Intex claims that this watch is the first IoT-based wearable device from Indian brand. The Iris Junior supports 2G networks and is LBS or location-based service enabled. The geofencing feature of the wearable tags movement of the child to limited places, such that whenever the child will step beyond predefined places, parents will be notified about kids' whereabouts. It comes with an auto call feature that allows parents to listen to the surrounding sounds in case the child is not able to respond to the call. It also allows users to block unknown contacts. There is also a voice chat feature that offers two-way communication, enabling the child to talk to parents and friends. The device also has an SOS button which, when pressed, sends an alert message to a predefined list of people who can be contacted for help in case of emergency. It also reports the location of your kid before power off. Parents can also control the watch with a forbidden in-class mode to ensure a quality study time with only time watch face in the mode. Loaded with numerous safety features, this smartwatch is the right solution for all the parents who worry about the safety and security of their children. This smartwatch carries a price tag of Rs 3,999. The Iris Junior does not only help in maintaining safety of children, but also helps in making parenting easier. It is a must-buy, especially for those parents who are always on the go and want to keep a track of their kids' safety. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.